Hello and welcome to the Trend Market Update Report for January 2014. Well, as always, market activity slowed in December and January, but the harsh winter weather that we've been having may also have had a negative impact on housing market activity. Sales for January were a disappointing 3.5% lower than they were last year and well below our expectations. Pending sales were 11% below last year. But surprisingly, the electronic showing requests were 7% higher than they were a year ago. Really good news is the median sold price was 6.5% higher than a year ago, which is in line with the expectations of a 4 to 5% increase in home prices for 2014. Now, most housing experts expect sales for 2014 to be about equal to 2013. And although February is off to a slow start with numerous snow events so far, we expect sales for February to be about equal to last year. For 2014, there have been a couple of changes that may impact the financing of home purchases in 2014. FHA loan limits have been decreased from $420,000 to $379,500 for most of the Trend counties. All the Trend counties except Berks and Kent. Berks and Kent remain unchanged from last year. Now, this probably won't have a real significant impact on 2014 as FHA loans have steadily decreased from 35% of all the home purchases in 2009 down to 24% in 2012, and last year just 18% of all purchases were made using FHA financing. Conventional loans, however, may also be more difficult to get for borrowers as the QRM definition, which is part of the Dodd-Frank legislation, has now been finalized, and it's estimated that more than 5% of all the 2013 conventional loans would not have qualified under the QRM standards. Now, that doesn't mean that these borrowers can't obtain conventional financing, but the loan will be more expensive if the QRM standard is not met. Helping to balance this, though, is there are numerous reports that some lenders are now starting to ease their standards for qualifying borrowers. Well, that's it for this month. Be sure to check the homepage for county statistics with Market Snapshot, Market History Report, and join us again next month for the February update. Thanks for joining us.